Hi, I'm Tad Halcomb with Amerex Fire, and today we're going to show you how to use our C260 K-Class fire extinguisher. You may ask, what is a K-Class? It's one of the 5 classifications of fire, A, B, C, D, and K, K being for kitchen fires. Okay, so let's talk about those classifications of fire. Let's start with A. A is anything that leaves an ash or an ember. B fires are for flammable liquids like gas or oil. C classifications are electrical, so anything that's energized. Class D fires are metal fires like magnesium or titanium. And finally, today we're going to talk about the Class K extinguishers. Class K fires are commercial kitchen fires like deep fat fryers or anything that has very high heat with oil. So the agent used in the K-Class extinguisher is a blended agent of potassium acetate that's UL listed to work in commercial kitchen fires. When this extinguisher is discharged, it produces a fine mist that cools the appliance. It also prevents reflash. So initially, the K-Class extinguisher came with a longer wand. That produced some problems with people actually putting it into the liquid during a fire event. So we designed this nozzle to keep you at a safe distance of 10 to 12 feet away from the fire. Okay, these come in 2 sizes. This is the 6-liter that we offer, and we have a 2.5 gallon as well. We also have 2 other versions of the same size that are Coast Guard approved. Thank you for watching our video today on our K-Class C260 and C262 fire extinguishers. For any other information, please visit our website at www.amerex-fire.com.